Hello everyone. So today we are going to do multiple improvements to our AI NPC controller to allow. The first thing is, now NPCs, when they attack, they can do multiple attacks instead of doing just one attack. So here they're doing 3 consecutive attacks. So actually at the end of this episode, I'm gonna implement a way to define this max attack count. So I have hard coded it to 3. So if I make it something in between 1 and 4 randomly, now the enemies will, but I will show that in detail where to implement that randomization node. This is just for demonstration purposes. So now the enemy might do just one attack or multiple attacks. So here he did only one attack. Now see, did 3 attacks, just one attack. So yeah, that's something. And also, as you can see here, they don't run into each other much because I have done some improvements to that as well, but it's still not perfect. We have to work on that. So yeah, these are the things we are going to work on today. And before we get started, as always, I'd like to remind you, you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects that I have done in the channel. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in description below. And this is a part of this Unreal Engine action RPG with gameplay ability system tutorial series I'm doing. I'll leave the link to the full tutorial series playlist in the description. You can watch everything for free without in my channel, so feel free to check it out too. And let's get back to today's tutorial. Alright, so the first improvement I want to do is here, when the NPC actors attack the player, they always do just one attack and that's it. See, it just do one attack and doesn't do anything else, just wait. So instead of that, I want them to sometimes, not always, do multiple attacks. So for that, here if I open the behavior tree, and also I starting to feel like they are a bit slow, so I'm gonna remove this wait node. And here in the light attack, I'm gonna add a new variable, consecutive attack count, and this should be, so here I'll set consecutive attack count to just to test. Let's start with 3, then let's randomize this. So also just attack count, this number will represent how many attacks the player has done so that we can keep track. So what I want to do is, let me disconnect this, and here let's add the branch and check if the attack count is less than consecutive attack count. Well, let's say max. I'll just call it max attack count. That seems simple. And if this is true, we can try to do attacks again. If it is false, we can just delay. We can just finish execute. So here now I'll add 1 second delay and come back here. Right. Okay. Now, if when one character try to attack, it should do multiple attacks. Let's see. Why are they not coming to me? I think they already saw me when I start the game. So because of that, the AI system is not triggering, I think. Why are they not coming? Oh, wait. Here, we should increment this. Otherwise, it would run infinitely. But I don't think that has caused the problem. Let's try again. Oh yeah, they're coming now. Okay, I parried him, so he didn't do the attack again. Yeah, see? Now he's doing multiple attacks. He should do 3 attacks, whoever starts to attack. Why not doing attacks? We should also reset the attack count here in case this number persists, but I thought it doesn't. So anyway, let's do that. And also I want to change this flanking. So here the characters can flank in either direction, like to move around the character in either directions, but that makes NPCs bump into each other too often. So here let me change this also, because I don't want them move too far away from me. And this I'll make it always something like 1 2 3, so they will be always moving to right side. Now let's just hard code this. Wait, no, let's just break this, convert to float, maybe 200. Okay. Where the other guy attacking? Yeah, he's. Alright. So now they are doing multiple attacks. So once they've finish attacking me, maybe they should move away again. So let's do another flank here. And also another issue is they are still like moving too fast, so it would look better if they were moving around me while in the fight mode a bit slowly. So here when we flank, we calculate the target location here. So what I can do is this also contributes to being slow, so let me skip that part too. Yeah, so as I said here, let me promote this to a variable target move location, and then we did implement a toggle walk and run to run in system or set movement interface event last time, so we can make use of that here. So how can we do that? Here at the beginning we have the locations of two characters. So from this, let me calculate distance. Alright, now let me collapse this. Set movement mode. Right. And inside we again need a reference to the pawn. So we have the control pawn here, and we can check if this distance is less than, let's say, 800, maybe too far, so let's say just say 700, and then set movement mode, and I'll choose the movement mode based on this. If it is true, we should be walking, otherwise we should be running. Okay, let's check that. They are far away now, so they should come running to me. And now they're not running, they're just walking around more like. Yeah, also when they collide with each other, they stop moving, I think. Maybe as a solution to that, we might use D2 AI code crowd controller instead of the just normal AI controller here. That means this one. There is another AI controller called D2 crowd AI controller. Maybe this would work better, but I'm not sure if that uses more performance than the regular AI controller. Let's just see. Yeah, so it doesn't stay stuck when they run, jump, bump into each other here, which is good. Okay, so I think now they can do multiple attacks, and we do few minor improvements to the AI system. So this would be a good place to stop this episode. Let me just finish one of them. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for the download in Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.